I think this is the spot. But I have a feeling that I think I see like one bike up there. There we are. Oh shit! Perfect timing. You know, someone told me to turn the camera on because he might be here. Yeah. All right, y'all. What up?
I gotta see it. What are you doing on here?
A little electric bobber, a little something I built in my backyard.
This is actually electric.
Fully electric.
That's fucking wild, dude. Is it torquey? Can you wheelie it or what?
It's not torquey enough to wheelie, but it's pretty damn quick. I say it has torque something like a 400, 600 cc, but speed like a 250. That's about 80 miles per hour.
Kit for the motor like Electro & Co. or?
So Electro & Co, their kit was a little expensive.
That's
so,
what I thought, yeah.
So I just bought the controller and the motor directly off of AliExpress myself.
Oh, that can't be comfortable.
It's not bad, but a lot of times when I try to speed off, I feel like I'm gonna slide off of it. So yeah, I'm not the biggest fan of the seat. All right. They called over, I think they're about to roll.
Ain't no gas stop? No.
Yeah, I might need a little gas. Sheesh, I got something in my eyes. I think I'm getting attacked by my own eyelashes once again. And women said they want long eyelashes. No, you don't. You will have an eyelash in your eye every hour of all 24 hours. Dale. Alright. I'm the only bike you won't hear when I turn it on. Yeah. Oh shit, wait a minute. I need to set my phone up. I'm probably gonna try to play a little bit of music. Honestly, I don't even know if I'm gonna talk this ride. I might just enjoy the moment. Yeah, I'm gonna be real. We're at 84% battery if this is still calculating. We're 84%, 81.7 volts. I'm probably gonna keep one glove off because I need to check how far I am from home and how much battery I got. And the Bluetooth, the touch on these suck. So one glove. Side battery is indeed on. Someone is blocking me with their bike. Yo, I'm blocked in. Yeah, I'm blocked in. Let me hear that engine. Oh, it's a quiet one. Okay. We riding out. Alright, we're in gear 1. I'm gonna test the pace of this ride before I turn it up. It shouldn't be a super fast one. I'm hoping I won't need gear 2. I want to save as much battery as possible since I'm going to be driving, since the route is further from home. Well, they're moving up there. Damn, they said it ain't a race. He might turn it up just for a little bit because apparently they're gonna be moving. Yeah. Oh, I forgot to cue the music. Alright, well, looks like I might have to use a little bit of gear too. Hey. Hey, hey. Yeah. Hey, that thing sounds like a Grom. Oh, so this is that bridge they went under when I watched CantWheelies video. Hey man, go subscribe to CantWheelie. Now that's a lot of motorcycle heat, jeez. Now we keeping up. Luckily it's not quite as fast as the last ride. That ride I could not keep up to save my life. Yeah. Lightning? It's got storm clouds down here? We're gonna mess around a little bit of gear 3. That's enough, that's enough, that's enough. Oh, we're turning now, I think. Yeah, I think we're turning. Hey, somebody just went to pop it up. He popped the little Honda Monkey up. Oh shit, we're not about to hit a highway, are we? My man's like, fuck y'all. He's blocking. He's blocking us. Uh-oh. It's getting crazy out here. Oh shit. Thanks to the asshole in the thanks to the piece of garbage in the pickup truck, the group done split. We're moving! This is what I gotta do to keep up with these people. I feel like I see a lot of lights up there. Like we must be that far behind. God damn. Oh, this much gear 3 won't cause any problems. I don't think I'm pushing it max, but I can't be. I'm not fully on the throttle. I am not seeing that much motorcycle lights, y'all. Be honest. I think we're real far away. We done literally lost the whole group. I don't think my battery app is very updated. I'll be honest with y'all. How much battery do I have? 66? Yeah, I don't think anybody knows where they are. This man done fucked the whole thing up. I know where I'm at, but huh? Okay. Yeah. Do you know where the rest of the route is? What the fuck was that?
What's up?
The fuck?
Good?
Oh yeah, I'm good. I was saying to you that the dude in the pickup truck fucked it all up. But I'm good though, I'm good.
Yeah, I'm going down the Blue Diamond.
Do you know the rest of the route?
I know.
Damn.
I'm going down the Blue Diamond.
That's the only thing I remember.
Yeah. Huh? Where are they at? They're back that way? I thought they kept going all the way to Blue Diamond.
So yeah, the last thing I remember is Blue Diamond, but I don't remember the rest of the route.
Yeah.
Well, here we are, girl. A small group of guys have no clue on where the hell to go.
Rainbow's back there. We fucking okay. Yeah, we gotta flip a bit. Alright, it's or actually
Hey, I only got so much battery. I'm gonna keep going straight.
Right.
But nice riding with y'all.
safe. Make sure you make it home.
Hey, you have a good one. My battery's too low to wrap around. That is not how I was trying to end this ride, bro. This motherfucker in the pickup truck. Why did I not put my goggles on? There we go. God damn. Sheesh. I'm disappointed. I ain't come out here for that. Oh. That's been another short one. Okay, they're doing a Yui. Well, I ain't got that much battery to be doing all that. But I guess I gotta end my one short again. If y'all enjoyed this, make sure you go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. Check out the rest of my videos. I'll try to do more group rides. I mean, I'm going to do more group rides as long as they're close enough. This one got ended because it is. I need to stop saying that. I gotta censor myself. But if y'all enjoyed this, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Check out the rest of my videos. It has been, and I'm out. Peace.